Twintec offers personalized design solutions to meet specific customer operational needs. We provide value engineering to improve performance, minimize environmental impact, and maximize project value. Fibers, joints, and surface treatment solutions are all available from Twintec, focusing on sustainable products and sourcing. These can be acquired within a total offer concept or in conjunction with a design package. Twintec offers a full range of concrete laying equipment. This includes super flat screeds, dry shake topping spreaders, fiber integration machines, and power floats, showcasing the latest innovations in fully electric machines. Highly skilled and experienced workers produce high-quality concrete slabs worldwide. With a global reach for concrete slab construction and developed quality control processes, Twintec adheres to all required international standards. The speed of construction combined with quality is a hallmark of our services. Twintec provides investigation, maintenance, and repair services for existing concrete floor slabs, including adaptation or replacement where necessary. With a global reach, knowledge, and experience, Twintec's pillars ensure we meet customers' personalized needs and minimize environmental impact. For more information, visit our website at twintecgroup.com.